Okay, good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the 8th of December, and as usual, I'm going to walk through the three little pigs in the live markets. And more so this week, I'll concentrate on nits. I didn't do a weekly newsletter update, just basically didn't have time. So I will quickly flick through the three pigs and then show you how I move the stops on the nits no indicators trading strategy. So the three little pigs, it's a free strategy, and you just get it over here on the website, free products, three little pigs. The indicator that I will use today on my charts for three little pigs, swing trade indicator, it's here, also available over on the website. And the no indicators trading strategy is available here under products on the website. So into the markets, that's gold, so we'll go over to Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar, quite a few trading opportunities here. So there's a entry here, stopped out here, entry, stopped out, entry here, and depending on your stop loss, you can still be in this trade here. You may have got stopped here, I didn't, or here, I didn't. So in this trade from here, lovely reward here. To date, something, I don't know, it's about 300 pips up or something at the moment, maybe even slightly more now. So just trailing the stop, and we just keep on. Hopefully we can see this just riding down south, because doesn't look like there's anything stopping the Aussie dollar going further down from here. So nice trade there on Aussie dollar, making up for choppiness elsewhere. Euro GBP, here's some of that choppiness coming back into this pair now. We've seen a very good trend here on the weekly here. We've got some nice profits here, and you can see on the weekly chart we're quite choppy, so that's reflected through onto the daily, and on the 4 hour we're getting a few losing trades in here, but we keep taking them because we never know when this is going to move. For example, to catch something like this, we just have to make sure we're always taking those signals, take the choppiness, and wait for these kind of moves like this. Okay, Euro JPY, up and up here. So there's a few entries down here. You probably stopped out on this one or this one, so definitely in here. We're retracing back to the moving average here, so could be a small loser here, but nevertheless we'll still take those signals on the long side here on Euro JPY. Weekly's clearly back up now, hitting new highs. Well, not all-time highs, but certainly highs since last seen in 2000. So we made nice money on this this year already, so just take these signals as they come into the end of the year, and we may be getting one last push on Euro JPY here. Euro USD, quite choppy here. The weekly is clearly down as Euro continues to fall off, and the dailies, we can just see it chopping around this moving average here, so that's reflected here. Took quite a few hits in here, and this is non-farms. Is it non-farms? Maybe it's not. I can't remember what this news was here, but spiked out here and back in on the same candle. So short from here, excuse me, and almost got if you're trading as taught on the three little pigs and nits one-on-one, we've got a stop loss almost in the money here. And as this moving average drops off, even if price comes back up, I don't think we'll be losing money on this trade. Cable, very choppy, and again taking small losses here, and you know, we never know when this move's going to come, something like this, and we make up for all of these small losses. So the rule is, you know, just keep taking those entries and plugging away here. Don't let these small losses get you down. We never know when something like this is going to happen on Aussie dollar, for example. So you know, this is a 10% trade here for 1% risk. So as I state quite often, when we're taking the small, when we're taking the losses, when we've got choppy markets like this on euro and on cable, then usually we've got one or two pairs that's making up for it. In this instance, it's the Aussie dollar, and later we'll see USD JPY as well. So USD CAD, not so choppy here, taking some small profits here along the way, and a couple of small losses. So we're just treading water here on USD CAD. If we can see it breaking up above getting above this 1.1, it's about 1.15 level, just here. So I think if we can crack 1.15, which is highly possible, we can see further gains and make sure we take the signals and we're in for the ride. So I think my entry on this was this candle here. So almost stopped out. I think this was definitely non-farm, so almost stopped out here. But now we've got a break-even trade on USD CAD. So if we do see this push above 1.15, then at least we're involved. USD Swiss, this was obviously stopped us out. So we're in this trade from here, and the moving average is here. So we're not going to lose any money on this trade here. So once again, if we can see the USD Swiss push on up, then we're involved. Expect some resistance around the parity level, but you know, we've still got a good 200 pips, sorry, from here until we reach that level. So potential here for us to take some nice profits if we see it heading up to that parity level. USD JPY, this is the pick really. This is what's saving us from those small losses, and it has been all the way since the trend started again in mid-October. So we took nice profits here, and some another nice profit here. We're back in. We took a small loss, break even here, and now we're back in. When I got in on this trade, I think I had about a 50 pip stop. So I'm up. I think it's about 300 pips up here at this level. So about 6% for your 1% risk. I'm trailing it as per the one-on-one session. So up about 3% here at this point, with the trailing stop just behind the moving average here. Gold, I haven't even looked at gold, so I've got no idea what's happening. Very choppy. Not something I trade, but we're down and up here. I suppose the weekly's still down. This level is really key. I keep on stressing it, but 1180 is a really key level for gold, and it looks like there's a lot of people around this level. This is the congregation here. Buyers and sellers are basically just evening each other out here. Eventually one of them's going to crack, and the buyers will outweigh the sellers, and this will move back up, or alternatively it'll break down and the sellers will take control. Goldman Sachs have been calling for 1,000 for gold, and they can drive the market. They're obviously got a short position if they're shouting for 1,000, so them and others may help push this down to 1,000 before we see it move back up. Who knows? We just have to wait and see. So the daily trend's obviously up because the indicator's telling us so, and anybody will just be waiting. Really doesn't look like we're going to see a weekly trade this week, so the likely thing is that the daily will roll over, and then you'll be looking for a short entry on the 4-hour chart here. Okay, so on to NITs now. No indicators trading strategy. Just cover this briefly. I haven't marked my stops on here, so I will do that now. We had this low here. This was our low before. We almost broke it here, but we've seen on Friday this moved down, and this morning this is enough. This is enough movement for me now. So I'm going to be happy, and I will. I already have on my trading account, but I will. This morning I moved this stop loss down to here, so we were in the money slightly on this trade already on the short side, and now we've just moved it down. So we're up about probably, if you're trading 1%, probably about 0.5%, maybe just less than that. So hopefully we'll just see a little movement back up here, and then we'll break this low again, and we'll get a chance to move the stop down to lock in a bit more profit there. Euro USD, this was an unfortunate trade. We just got stopped out here of our short trade, and we took a long position. Almost got stopped out a couple of weeks ago, and last week we did get stopped out, so we're short here now. So this is the short entry. I won't bore you by updating my chart with the new numbers, but this was our short entry here. Stop loss, initial stop loss was here. And with this move down and the spike up here, when we broke this low, I decided that's enough for me, and we'll just take half the risk off the table there. So we're just, current stop loss is here from this morning. I moved this, and with this original entry, original stop up here, we've now reduced our risk to, I think it's about 40% of our initial risk. So once again, like with cable, we just want to see maybe some move back up to here, and then we can break the low again and get this stop to break even. Okay, I will delete that. And finally, Euro JPY. I reported last week that I was waiting for this high to get broken so I could move my stop loss up to here. I did that this morning. I don't rush. As soon as the high gets broken, I'm not the kind of person that, oh, my high's broken, I must move my stop. I just wait and see, have a little look at price action. It's enough for me. It's hanging around here now long enough. So moved the stop again on this morning. So don't worry if you're trading no indicator strategy on the 4-hour chart. You don't have to look at every single bar. You don't have to worry about getting up in the middle of the night. Just take it easy. This morning I came in around, I think it was about 7 o'clock, and this price action here, on Friday it was broken. I didn't need to move my stop on Friday. So just this morning, price is consolidating here. We just come down, filled the gap, and moved the stop loss to here. And on that note, I think that's about all. Do take the time to go over to the website and read Nigel's article. Published the 10th in Nigel's series. So you can go over here to the website. It's taken a while to load, I think, because I'm transmitting this this live. But take the time, go over Nigel's 10 stages of my Forex trading apprenticeship. I can relate to quite a few things in there, and I'm sure many of you can. And you'll appreciate Nigel's journey and how he got to where he is today. And on that note, thank you all for listening to me. And if you want me, just contact me through the website or leave a comment here. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe up here, and you'll never miss one of these live shows again. And on that note, all the best to all of you. Thank you.